Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks. On array. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to join a array element into the string. Okay, so simple. If we just go to the Visual Studio Code and we have an array like this. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there are 6 elements into the array. Let's join that array. Okay, so how we can do this? So before using any array types of function, we need to use these things: illuminate, support, array. Okay, so by that we can access that things. So simply just use the join function array and simply use the array join. Okay, and now I just going to make this array into a string. So this is the joined array. I am taking that as a variable and let's print that. Okay, so I am just printing as a echo because the array will become a string. Okay, and now pass the array into the join and I will split with a comma. Okay, so simply provide the comma here, and now let's refresh this. We are getting the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so this will applicable for any string type of data also. So simply instead of a number, if I just write here A, then B, then C, then D, then we'll get the thing also A, B, C, D. And the interesting thing is, if I want to write like this A, B, C, D and E, means we have suppose E. Okay, and I want to print in this way A, B, C, D and E. So there are 5 elements. It will just print like a string, just a proper sentence as we have in English word. So if I just write A, B, C, D and E, so before the last element I want to push and, that also we can do. So simply just provide here and. Okay, so just write and it will get the output A, B, C, D and E. That is very interesting thing. Okay, so using the array join function we can do that things. So hope you can understand what is the purpose of join and how we can use that things. Okay, so if this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We will come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.